Hi, book buddies. Today our word is going to be many. Can you say the word many? And what does many mean? That's right. It doesn't mean just one or just two. It means more than two. So if you said I had one, we know that would be one. Or I'd a couple means two. But if we have many, it means more than two. So say the word many with me. Great job. Okay, so today we will read a book with the title A Nest Full of Eggs. It is a level B book. So we're going to remember to use our reading fingers and we're going to read top to bottom, left to right, and we're going to use our reading strategies. Who remembers one of our reading strategies? Let's not forget to use, do you remember who this is? Eagle Eye. That's right. He reminds us to use our pictures for clues. Lips the fish. Get your lips ready as we begin to read. Then we have stretchy snake. You can stretch out words if we need to. Sorry about that glare. And we have skippy frog. So if we don't know the word, guess what? We're going to skip over it. And then we will come back and see if we can find a word that would make sense. So let's use our reading strategies. Here we go. A nest full of eggs. This is the front of the book, and this is the back of the book. Do you remember what this is called? That's right, that's the spine. That is the part that holds our book together. When we read top to bottom, left to right. Good job. We know an illustrator draws the pictures, and an author writes the words. And sometimes a photographer will put real pictures in our books. A nest full of eggs. So if you're looking at this book and on the front of it, do you know what kind of animal this is? You're right, it's an ostrich. And what are these? That's right, they're eggs. But when we think of a nest, I think of a little baby bird's nest that's made out of twigs. Do you? What other kind of animals use a nest to put their eggs in? Yeah, you're right. Yes, snakes have eggs. Birds have eggs. And look at this ostrich nest, though. He's dug like a big hole, and it looks like maybe in some sand that he has a nest. His nest is in sand. I wonder how he made his nest. A nest full of eggs. Oh, there's a broken egg. That must mean a baby came out of it. Chickens lay eggs. Turtles lay eggs. Oh, look at that sweet little turtle. Where's the turtle's nest? That's right. Must lay eggs in the ground. Must be a land turtle, not a sea turtle. Well, I don't know. Sea turtles lay their eggs in the sand. So turtles lay their eggs on land. Spiders lay eggs. Ducks lay eggs. Fish lay eggs. Okay, if you don't like snakes, don't look at this page. Snakes lay eggs. Many animals lay eggs. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? So if we look at this picture is going to give us some information. So use your eagle eyes and look to see what kind of other animals lay eggs. Frogs, butterflies, and what's that? That's right, it's a crab. Many animals lay eggs, and when we say many, we mean we know that means it's more than the number 2. So let's think about our book that we just read. Who remembers an animal in the book? Not information that you already know, but who remembers an animal that laid eggs in our story? That's right, the ostrich, and we know that because he's on the front of our page, or the front cover of our book. Let's see what else we can find. Chickens. Where do chickens lay eggs? That's right. They have a nest, don't they? And we also know that animals have different types of nests. The ostrich has a nest made out of sand. Sand and dirt, maybe? Yeah, I think so too. Chickens use straw or hay. Where does the turtle lay their eggs? That's right. This turtle lays its egg in the dirt. Now we know sea turtles lay their eggs in the sand, but this is information from our book. Remember, when we talk about our questions after we read, we know to know what was in the book. Spiders lay eggs. Do you remember another animal that laid an egg in our story? That's right, the duck. And the duck uses the ground. That's right. What about, do you know where the fish lay eggs? Have a look. Yes, fish lay eggs in the water, under the water. That looks like a little Nemo fish, doesn't it? Good connection. Okay, here's our snake. Don't look. Snakes lay eggs too. No, they're eggs. Just look at this. The fish eggs and the snake eggs are different. Look how tiny the little fish eggs are. And look how big, and they're kind of like an oval shape. The snake's eggs are. And just from looking at the back of our book, we learned that frogs, butterflies, and crabs lay eggs. Awesome job, friends. Let's do some sight words. Okay, sight word readers, are you ready? Here's list 2. Remember, before you leave kindergarten, we would like for you to be able to read lists 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's practice. We, there, am, do, her, down, what, could, be, have, as, were, out, little, some, is, look, then, did, can, go. So, and go. There's those rhyming words again. When, see. Ta-da! List number 1. I bet you can't beat me. Let's play a game. Ready, set, go. What's the word? At. Oh, you got me. On. And. In. You. His. Are you winning? I think you are. Of. He. A. Up. It. They. Had. Was. For. That's not the number 4. It means let's go to the store for ice cream. That. But. With. The. To. Said. Him. She. I. All. Way to go, guys. You beat me. Awesome reading job today. Remember, practice your sight words. We would love for you to know lists 1, 2, 3, and 4. Have a great day.